Yo, what is good, YouTube, man? It's the fourth can. Let me know how I like these daily uploads, man. I've been trying to upload every day. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but just be thankful y'all got it, man. But we gonna kick this haircut off. My client, he's mixed with Asian. I think he's Asian and black, so gonna give him a mid fade, nothing off the top. So we setting our first guideline in with our wall detailer. Now you could do it harsh, cause we're gonna come back with our detailers after we put in the first guideline to get it out before we make our second one. But you wanna grab your wall 5-star shavers or your Andis Profoil shavers and just smoothing out that bald line to get it, razor bald. So then you open up your lever on whatever clipper you're using. I recommend the Oster Fast Feeds. These are my favorite clippers because I just feel like they give a smooth and nice cut. Like, they're real consistent, on all types of textures. They always work the same. So yeah, that's why I use them. So we just closing our lever halfway and then closing it fully to get that bottom line out. But it won't come out, the first time you try. You gotta go back with your detailers as you see that I'm about to do. So then you want to grab your one guard and open up that lever. Go up about 1 inch. Now, as you can see, the guidelines looking kind of ocky right now, but we're going to get it right. So you could take it up kind of high because you don't want this fade to not look smooth. Like, you don't want it to be choppy. So you want to space out your guidelines. Give yourself room to work with. We're going to blend the top up anyway. So right now we're just focusing on erasing those bottom guidelines before we even move on to the top. So we got our zero guard and we just flicking that bottom line out. Like, this method that I use is really simple. It's so easy. Like, this is the easiest way how to fade, in my opinion. It's literally a mathematical system that you just have to follow. So I got my no guard lever open, just flicking out that very bottom of that guideline just to get it nice and clean before I move on to the top. So we take our 3 guard and open up the lever, and we kind of just knocking off bulk off his front hairline too, because we're gonna taper his front hairline, and we're just setting basically the foundation of the top of his fade, basically. So the highest guard that we're gonna be using is the 4. That's gonna be to knock off the very tip top of his, hair. So we got our 2 on there right now, and after the 2 you just want to grab your 1 guard, just because this kind of hair, Asian hair, can be stubborn at times, because this client, his hair is like mixed between like Asian and straight hair. It's like a combination of both, but it can be stubborn at times, like just stick straight out. So once I'm done with this side, you'll see me do the back, and I know it looks like his crown is bald, but that's just how sometimes straight hair gets faded. Like, it just looks bald in the crown area, but it's really the same level. It just appears Alright, so before we even get into the shape up, we're just gonna take Britt's front hairline. Just take it down with the one guard open, nothing too serious. And spray it with some hairspray, and then we're just gonna get straight into it. Now, for the best camera angle, I just use my cordless wall retro T outliners. Because they cut the same as my regular T outliners, but these joints work real nice with straight hair, as I've been finding out lately. They're real dependable. They're a sturdy clipper for real. So as y'all can see, this joint crazy. Fire. That fade is fire. And the lineup. Fire. We didn't even put the razor on it yet. We didn't put the EZBLADE on it yet. As you can see, the cut's basically finished. If y'all haven't noticed yet, I partnered with EZBLADE shaving products. And when I tell you their products are amazing, when I tell you they are amazing. So I'm from Philadelphia, so I don't really use shaving gel, but I have used their shaving gel before for razor fades. And it smells good. It doesn't leave any residue as long as you wipe it off. But their razor handle is the most comfortable razor handle I've ever used. Very smooth. The blades are nice. You can use derby blades on it as well, but I just use the EZBLADE blades. But if you go on their website and purchase any products, just use my promo code the4thken, and you will get a 10% off your order. It's a promo code, so you'll be helping me out by doing that. So appreciate that. And the cut's finished. The cut is finished. As you can see, I like how the top's looking. It looks kind of texturized. I'm liking how this tutorial's looking. So we just gonna go in with freehand trim on top. Now you don't wanna, if you're a beginner, you don't wanna go against the grain of freehand trimming, just because you might patch them, to be honest. But yeah, YouTube, this is the cut, man. Leave a like if you enjoyed. I put some effort into this tutorial. This joint really nice, man. Check out my tutorial from yesterday. That was a dope one as well. All my tutorials from this week, check them out. I've been grinding real hard. Help me get to 50K and then 100K subs. And it's the 4thken, and I'm out. Peace.
Camera on the beat.